Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a DIY lollipop gun using an easy method. First, gather your materials: a small PVC pipe, a spring, a cap, and a lollipop. Ensure all components are safe and appropriate for this fun project. You will also need some basic tools like a saw and adhesive. This simple approach makes the process straightforward and enjoyable for everyone involved. Now, let us construct the barrel. Begin by cutting a PVC pipe to a length of approximately 6 inches. Carefully smooth any rough edges to ensure safe handling. Next, securely attach a small cap to one end of the PVC pipe, forming the back of your barrel. This creates the main body where the lollipop will be loaded and propelled. For the firing mechanism, insert a spring into the barrel. This will provide the propulsion. Next, create a simple trigger using a small lever that can hold and release the spring. Securely attach this trigger mechanism to the barrel assembly, ensuring it functions smoothly. This setup allows you to load a lollipop and launch it with a simple pull. To finish, test your new lollipop gun with a small lollipop to ensure everything works correctly. Always remember to aim the gun in a safe direction, away from people and fragile objects. It is crucial to supervise children when they are using this device to prevent any accidents. Enjoy your homemade lollipop gun responsibly and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.